welcome back to my channel, Tasty Meal by Stacy. Before we start, I just want to remind you guys about the holiday giveaway that I'm going to have by December 31st. I'm going to be announcing the winner. It's going to be random. Just remember to make sure that you are subscribed, to like, and also to leave a comment below on this video, the video before, or any video that I post before New Year's. So guys, let's get to do this beautiful salad. What I have for you today is a wonderful, sweet, beautiful treat. We are going to be making a fruit salad. I already went ahead and I started cutting the fruits. So I got some of the grapes and also the strawberry cut. What I wanted to do is just go very quick over the step, and I want to just show you this. Just cut the little head right here, and then when I have a big one like this, I like to cut it in four. It is a fruit salad, so we don't want the pieces to be too big, so I prefer them to be nice and pretty, so like that. Now if the strawberry is small like this one, then I just cut it in half. We just take this and then we cut it in half, and that should do it. With the grapes, I did the same thing. So sometimes when they're really small, you can get away with it, but I prefer to cut them so that we can enjoy more of that sweetness through the whole salad. So nice right there. So that's why you can see, just simple like that. The same thing with the red grapes. So I also have here a pear that I'm going to be cutting, but the first thing I'm going to be doing is taking the end from both sides. We're going to be cutting this right here like this. I'm going to be doing it in four because we don't need the middle part, where the seeds are. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut it right here and cut it right there. We don't really need that part, so I'm going to just go ahead and put it aside. We do the same thing. Nice little pieces. It's up to you. You can make it chunky if you want. You can make it smaller. Let's go ahead and cut it in half. Cut it. I'm using 2 plain Greek yogurt. This is the second yogurt. Okay, we are putting about 3 ounces of condensed milk. I also put a little hint of cinnamon already. Sorry about that, I was off camera. It's optional. You can use either condensed milk, you can use honey, and you can use sugar. So I decided to use 3 ounces of condensed milk and about a teaspoon of honey, just for the contrast of color and taste. Oh, look at that. I love it. What we have here is 2 Greek yogurt. I have a spoon of sour cream. I also put in 3 ounces of condensed milk. I did a teaspoon of honey and also a little hint of cinnamon. Now we are going to go ahead and put about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Just like that. Boom. I like the flavor. It goes well with the flavor, and the taste awesome with the fruit. The red apple, the yellow apple, the red grapes, black grapes, my husband's favorite, blueberry. I'm doing about a quarter of a cup. This is just beautiful. Oh, look at that. It smells so good. We have half a cup of strawberry. The contrast of the color is awesome. Dried cherries. I'm going to be putting about an ounce of them. I also have raspberry, cranberry, walnut frisco, which is awesome because it has glazed walnuts with sesame seeds. And this is how it looks. Oh, that is good. This salad is just perfect for the holidays. It's nice and fresh, it's super tasty, and it smells so good because of the cinnamon and vanilla. That is definitely a holiday dish. Guys, this is looking good. Look at that. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and put some coconut flakes. It's optional if you don't like coconut, if you don't have to put it in, but I tell you, it makes a big difference on this beautiful fruit salad. Guys, to top the salad, I already roasted, but I'm gonna put a little almond into the salad. Nice roasted almond. It's so cool. Some people are allergic to nut. Just keep that in consideration. This is just perfect. Look how easy it was. Look how pretty it looks. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Again, don't forget, if you are subscribed, you are going to be part of this beautiful holiday giveaway. This salad came out awesome. Fruit salad for the holidays. I mean, it's awesome. It's always good to have something sweet, something savory, something that tastes just like holidays, especially the smell of the cinnamon and the vanilla. Let's try it. Wow. As I say sometimes, did I make this? Did I do this? Well, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.